Hey everyone, welcome back to Good Times Hockey. Today we'll be revisiting the Gems of the Game repackaging box. We already have a video of this product. I suggest you go check it out after you're done with this one. So as you can see on the box, it's one graded rookie card, 10 factory sealed packs. I'm ready to go. Are you ready to go? So 2018-19 Parkhurst, 2 times. 2016-17 Series 1, you got a chance. 18-19 Series 2, 2 times. Parkhurst 16-17. And the regular score 1, 2, 3, 4. Score number 1. Guillaume Latendresse Gold. Sidney Crosby. Trope. Okposo. Verbata. Cam Ward, season highlights. And my 5th, Ed Giacomin, the franchise. Almost expected it to be in there, Ed Giacomin. Hanson Gold. Sullivan. Timonen. Jackman. Dorsett. Kopitar, season highlights, and Travis Turnbull, hot rookies. Justin Williams Gold. Joe Colborne, Eller, Goligoski, Fisher, Stamkos, award winners with the Maurice Richard Trophy. The Martin Brodeur, Netcam. Sikora Gold. Hodgson, Eager, Rolison, Johansson, Erat, Garbutt, hot rookies. 2016-17 Parkhurst. Are you ready for this sticky? Wenberg, Hainsey, Krejci, Smith Red, Hagelin, Baran Marchand, DeLeo, McGinn, Bjorkstrand, 18-19 Parkhurst, Helbut, Oshie, Bobrovsky, Virtanen, Mitch Marner, Kuznetsov, Aaron Ekblad, View from the Ice. That's a cool pick. Ekblad. Vorobyev, rookie. Nyquist, Jack Eichel. Jumbo Joe, Allen, Beauvillier, Godesford, Stone, Bouchard rookie, some type of gold, I guess. Smith, Scheifele, and Raffle. 1819 Series 2. Van Riemsdyk, Larson, Niederreiter, Bailey, Stephen Fogarty, Young Guns, Stephen Fogarty, Skinner, Nurse, and Kucherov. Second pack of 2018-19 Series 2. PK, Murray, Neal, UD canvas of Roman Josi. Nice card. Aitken, Bogosian, Simon, and Sutter. And for the piece of resistance, 2016-17 Series 1. Thomas Tatar, Hamilton, Erickson, UD portraits of John Gibson, Enrique, Ovi, Letty, and Camilleri. And for the graded card, we have a Canadiens card, JT Wyman. JT Wyman. No clue. Graded 10. So if you like what you see here at Good Times Hockey, I'll ask you to please subscribe, like, comment, and hopefully see you next time for some more Good Times Hockey.